welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make this slow cook turkey and gravy using only 3 ingredients. Absolutely amazing. Yes, amazing. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So you're gonna need a crock pot, a slow cooker. You're gonna need 2 packs of the turkey gravy, which I got the McCormick's kind. You can get whatever kind you can find, or you can use brown gravy or chicken gravy if that's what you prefer. You're gonna need 1 can of cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, cream of celery, whatever. But you're gonna need 2 butterball all natural turkey breast tenderloins, 2 of them, because you need 3 pounds and they are 1.5 pounds. So I'm just gonna wash these and I'll be back. Our turkey breast tenderloin is here. It's washed, it's clean. Next, you want to get your bowl and get your whisk, and you want to take your cream of whatever. I'm gonna just grab a spatula. And you want to take your 2 packs of gravy mix. And you want to get 1 cup of water, or you can use a half a cup of water, or a half a cup of chicken broth. I'm going to use chicken broth, so I'm going to pour that in here. And you want to give this a little whisk. It smells amazing. Ooh. Just make sure you mix it really good. Make sure the gravy doesn't have any lumps in it. Next, you want to take your turkey and just wipe the inside of my crock pot out. Next, I'm just gonna switch sides, and I am going to season my turkey with salt and pepper. Optional. If you choose to, fine. If you don't, All right. I do apologize about the noise from my electric salt and pepper shakers. But you just season your turkey and just place it right over in the crock pot, the slow cooker. Now this is totally optional as well, and I am going to take an onion and cut it up over my turkey. Optional. And I'm also gonna cut a little celery up in there. This is optional as well. These is not required for the recipe, but it's just an additive to give it more flavor. You can cut it up, or you can throw which I have the fresh celery sticks here. You can cut it up, or you can because they're so small, you can just throw the whole sticks in there. But I'm just gonna cut them up because I'm gonna eat them. And this will be the last one. All right, now you want to take your gravy mix and pour that goodness right on top of that turkey. Honey, let me tell you something. Good. Goodness. This is what you call pure goodness. Let me get my spatula. Alright, and you just take it and you can just spread it over the turkey, making sure that the turkey is fully covered. Place the top on it. So we're going to cook this on low for 6 hours, 4 to 6 hours, you know, checking in between. Our turkey has been cooking for 4 hours now. So we're just going to check it and stir it. So we're just gonna stir it. It looks really tender. It's cooking really good, but I want it to finish cooking for the remaining 2 hours and 37 minutes because I want it like falling to pieces. So I'm just gonna cover it back up and I'm allow it to finish cooking, finish letting it do its thing. Our turkey has been cooking for 6 hours. I gave it a little stir, like off camera, like right there at the last 30 minutes, and it was like really tender. So all I did was take this fork and this spoon and like just cut it up because it's so tender, like it's just gonna fall to pieces. Cut it up and that's it. You have slow cooked turkey and gravy. Easy, simple, and quick. Like this is one of those true meals you put in a crock pot and you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe of my slow cooked turkey and gravy. This recipe is good anytime, any holiday, for any reason, any occasion. You cannot go wrong. Throw it all in a pot, set it for 6 hours, and you get to go. Look how amazing, tender, and juicy it is. And on top of that, like the celery just tops it off. Like it gives it that flavor, the celery and onions. To all of my subscribers out there, you know I love you guys. Ain't nothing changed but the video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you go hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you will not miss an upload from your girl D. Until the next time, until the next recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.